This screen capture is for using Liquify in Adobe Photoshop for portrait and background. So we need to open Adobe Photoshop and open our picture. We need to find it. Now I want to use this one because it has two layers. Now remember, if the background layer has a lock on it, we need to change that, double tap, and it will just come up with layer O or a name for it. Now, with Adobe Photoshop, the one that is highlighted, the lighter color grey here, is the layer that you'll be working on. Remember, you can turn the eyes off and on just to work on a certain layer, but make sure that your highlight is the layer that you want to work on. So I'm just going to go Filter and Liquefy. This will bring it up in a new dialog box here, and I can use my brush to change the texture by modifying the controls over here. I can change the way it affects it. Too small. Have a little bit of a play around just to make it a little bit more surreal. Okay, that'll do. I'll be okay for that. There are other things, but this is just a simple liquefy. Always best to play in Photoshop to get the results we want. So that was that layer. Now I can turn that layer off, turn that layer on. Zoom in on me, Control plus plus plus. And once again, filter. Oh, it won't let me do it. Ah, there we are. I was on the wrong layer. Filter, liquefy. Bring me up in another dialog box. Zoom in. Change the size a little bit. Wouldn't mind lifting my head up a little bit. And I might just play with the stripes on my shirt a bit. That'll do. And hit OK. Then join them back together. And I might have to use my move tool just to move him back down so he's more on the log. Might put him on the bottom part of the log now. And file save as. Save as a copy. Same place. and close the original so it's not affected.